Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to turn a $1,000 Robinhood portfolio account into $125,000 in less than 3 years. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and go over to the screen. And if you haven't checked out cleverperceptions.com yet, please feel free and go over there. You have tons and tons of options for content and great information, social links to get involved with our community of over 5,000 members, and just a chance to really just look at some questions and answers and even ask some of your own questions yourself if you'd like. So, with that said, let's go ahead and get into the video, which I did this blog a couple of days ago, been wanting to do a video about it, so here we go. Now, how to grow your $1,000 account to $125,000 in 3 years with this easy, simple strategy. Now, I want to be discussing how making money in the stock market can be so powerful by using different strategies other than the traditional buy and hold long term for a measly 8% return per year. Now, 8% is great and all, but it's boring. I don't want to wait that long. I know most millennials don't want to wait that long. They don't want to wait for their popcorn to make in the microwave. So, with that said, let's jump into how you can really get some great gains, okay? So let's start off by assuming you have $1,000 to invest. If not, then start like me by saving or investing small amounts of money and build it up to the $1,000 mark. Now, we did reach that goal in 32 weeks. I went from $0 to $1,000 just through getting shares from people using my link, as well as depositing small amounts of money, but ultimately it was from making really good and very consistent trades all through those months and weeks. So on average, I've been doing about 2 to 3% a day, which is actually pretty good, and that's going to kind of follow in this step. So there are 5 trading days per week. Sometimes there may be a little bit less, depending on if there's a holiday or two, and that will affect the market being closed, like today's Memorial Day, so it wasn't open. But let's not worry about that right now. On average, if you can consistently make 2% a day, you're off to a great start. And see here, we're going 2.93%, which is not too bad. Now, keep it up if you can make those 2% gains. If you're having trouble maintaining the 2%, then I would check out some other videos or articles that I have talking about how you can get high returns daily. I do have one, buy low, sell high strategy, how to make money with the Robinhood app, and I have a lot of those different videos that I have already made. So let's assume this is a breakdown of the 3 years. Your first year, you have $1,000. You're making 2% per day. That's $20 a day. 10% per week is $100 a week. 40% per month, that's $400 a month, and 500% for the year, that's $5,000. Now, you get to $5,000 a second year, same deal. 2% a day is $100, 10% is $500, 40% is $2,000, and at the end of the year, you have a $25,000 account. Now, here we go. I'm not going to really go through it, but $25,000, 2%, that's $500 a day. By the end of the year, you have a $125,000 account. Now, why, how, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I've been consistently averaging 2.5% growth every day, 5 days a week, with highs of about 4% and lows of about 1%, but on an average, about 2.5%. Just to show you a picture here again. Now, I started this journey actually at $0 out of pocket. And through Robinhood, I was able to get 6 free shares by spreading a referral link around to my friends and family. This, in turn, offered me free shares that totaled up to $32 at sign up in the first week alone. Now, I was able to rapidly grow my account over the last 6 months and hit the $1,000 mark. Now, what's next, right? I want to continue growing my account. So with that said, I can now start my journey toward $5,000, then $25,000, and then ultimately $125,000, guys, which is where I want to be. In as little as 3 years, you can live off your portfolio with a daily income of over $500 per day on average, which equates to over $10,000 per month. How does that sound, guys? By simply doing some trades. Now, You and I can do this by using my 3 main strategies for investing in the stock market. Buy low, sell high, swing trade only, never day trade, especially if you don't have the DT rule or the day trading rule. Basically means you need $25,000 to do unlimited trades, or else you only get, I believe, 3 per week. Also, dividend capturing. Now, using these three strategies, you can dominate the stock market, and I have. I've turned what you would normally get an average of 8% to over 500% in a single year, guys, and I have proof that I've done it. Just look at some of my other videos. Now, I've changed a traditional low return per year by implementing a few of these strategies of my own that work for me, not against me, and it works for me against the stock market. So by simply changing the way you invest and the way you think, you can make better returns in less time. Now take a look. 1,000 times 500% is 5,000. 5,000 times 500% is 25,000, and 25,000 times 500% for the year is $125,000. Now, after reviewing the charts, you can see that after 3 years investing in the stock market, the total value would be $125,000. Now, with that said, you could stop reinvesting your profits, start living off the income with daily income of $2,500, which is a total per year of $625,000, guys, off of $125,000 investment. That's amazing. That's over 500% every single year, and you can live off of those profits. Whoa! Now that's a lot of money. How do these numbers relate to some of the top professionals and their yearly income? Now let's take a look at that. The highest paying careers as of 2018 right now. There's a physician. Their median base salary is $180,000. A lawyer, you got to go to school a long time to be a lawyer. Median price $144,000. A pharmacist, 6-8 years of school, college, debt, $118,000 for the year, guys. We're talking about $625,000 in 3 years or less. How does that sound? Now, a career meaning 4 years of college, hundreds of thousands of dollars in student loan debt. Valuable time you can't get back. You still have to work roughly 10-20 years while being able to pay off all your debt, being able to save for retirement, while maintaining your health, your wealth, your happiness. It sounds like a lot of work, right? I'm not trying to discourage anyone out of their wants to pursue their dream. I also understand that we need these high-paying professionals to make the world go round. But I hope this article helps you in some way by providing new insight and motivation that you can harness and use at free will. Now, all this content is free for you. I give tons and tons and tons of content like this every single day. Please sign up. Put your email in here so you can get notifications. Sign up for or subscribe to YouTube. Whatever you got to do so that you can keep getting this content, guys, because I am not stopping. I want everyone to be able to prosper and live the life of their dreams, and it starts today. It starts by you watching this video right now. So start today and get ready. I also wrote this book in hopes that all will read this and be able to start living the life of your dreams. Do not wait too long, or our time on earth is short and sweet. Buy my book today for 99 cents and make a difference in your life for the better. Get the book here by clicking the link, or even the book itself. 99 cents to financial freedom. And it is easy, guys. It can be easy. If you liked all this content, please share, subscribe, share this video to your friends and family. And don't forget, check out cleverperceptions.com, guys. We aren't stopping. We're putting out content, and we are having fun doing it. So, with that said, I want you guys to have a great day. I want you to have a great trading day tomorrow. And I will see you in the next video.